Hey you, yes you, the one sweating just thinking about giving a speech in front of 3 co-workers and a potted plant. If public speaking gives you more anxiety than your Wi-Fi going down mid-Netflix, stay with me, because I'm about to share 7 public speaking hacks from some of the world's best-selling books that could turn your, sorry, what was I saying, into a standing ovation. Welcome to Fast Track Reads, the place where we digest best-selling books faster than you can finish your coffee. So let's start. Tip number 1. Start with a bang. Never start your speech with, "Hi, my name is Bob, and I'm here to bore you." Start with a story, a shocking stat, or even a joke like, "Why did the chicken join Toastmasters?" to get to the other side of the stage. Boom, you've got their attention. Tip number 2. Know your audience. If you're talking to a group of teenagers, don't open with, "Back in my day," speak their language, or they'll be texting cringe before you hit the second sentence. Tip number 3. Practice, but don't memorize. You're not a robot, unless you are. Then, beep boop, this doesn't apply. Rehearse enough to feel confident, but don't memorize word for word like it's a courtroom drama. Tip number 4. Rule of 3. People remember things better in 3s. Just like eat, sleep, repeat, or Netflix, snacks, regret. So, structure your points in 3s to make them stick. Tip number 5. Be vulnerable. Nobody wants to hear from a perfect robot. Share your flops, like the time I sneezed into the mic and accidentally scared the front row. Realness is relatability. Tip number 6. Body language. Use gestures, make eye contact, and please, please don't clutch the podium like it's your last lifeline on Earth. Stand tall, like you just won an Oscar for Most Improved Speaker. Tip number 7. End with a bang. Don't just trail off with, "So yeah, that's it." End with a strong message or call to action, like, "Speak up. Your voice matters more than you think." Mic drop, but please don't actually drop the mic, those are expensive. So here's my question. What's the worst public speaking moment you've ever had? Did you forget your lines, burp mid-sentence, freeze like a Windows 98 computer? Drop it in the comments. I promise I'll laugh with you, not at you. Mostly. If this video gave you some useful tips, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more book-powered brain boosts. And remember, if you mess up during a speech, just smile and say, "I was testing if you were paying attention." See you in the next one.